Good morning and welcome to Veolia Oman. This is Waddah Shartouh. I'm the head of Wastewater Department, and today I'm happy to have you with me on business day going to visit some sites. Welcome on board. Good morning. Hi Mohammed, how are you? All good?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Checking the schedule for this week.
I think the report is ready and already shared with the client. After that, we will need to review it with the client. So in zone 1, we will be having 2, and in zone 2, we will be having 2. Perfect. Thank you. Good morning, Antonio. Is it time for a cup of coffee? Good morning. Abdullah.
How are you?
In the wastewater department of Veolia Oman, we are managing the largest vacuum sewage network in the world. It consists of 12 vacuum stations and more than 4,600 active vacuum valve chambers with more than 258 kilometers of vacuum network. Now the overhauling of the Bosch pumps.
Yes.
The third batch will be dispatched today.
Yeah.
This is A6 or a 5A?
This is 5, this is 6.
Okay.
Correct.
So the installation will start today itself?
Maybe 2-3 sessions today start.
Okay.
Maybe tomorrow next session will be done.
Okay.
It is written full of permit.
Okay. Thank you guys. Based on what they have decided to go with the overhauling and the coating, because we need to protect our tanks.
Because tank they cannot access unless and until somebody goes down and
Exactly.
takes a picture.
Exactly. 5, they took only 1 from this plane and 1 from this one. So the model that you have is from this model or the smaller one?
Yeah, that's it. We have to change the bearing. So that is the
Welcome to Nizwa STP. In the wastewater in Veolia Oman, we are managing 3 main contracts for STPs. Zone 1 STP's contract, Zone 2 STP's contract, and Al Amirat STP contract. In total, we are managing and operating 37 STPs, along with their 78 pumping stations and lifting stations. Welcome to Nizwa STP. السلام عليكم. يا موصي، كيف الحال؟ الله يسلمك بخير. ناخذ سايت فيزيت، ناخذ تور. يلا توكلنا على الله. Actually, wastewater treatment process is a very sensitive process, and it's all about teamwork. It's about the coordination between the operations team, the maintenance team, and the laboratory also. So it's a chain link, and it is as strong as the weakest link. So we aim not to have a weak link by continuous training, coordination meetings, and toolbox talks, and raising the awareness of the team. Actually, people might be surprised to know how much is our success in the wastewater treatment depending on a teamwork, on training, and on biochemistry, and on lab analysis and coordination. It's not only a matter of tanks and pipes, as they say. There is a huge process behind that and a huge teamwork. تحليل الاوبريشن كونديشن للووتر كواليتي لهذه الاشياء كلها. لهذا الموضوع صار انت بتعطي القراءات فاكيوم فالف نفسه البيستون بيستك، يعني ممكن هو يفتح لحتى يسحب على الليفل. Actually, I'm proud to be part of Veolia and working with the purpose, which is the ecological transformation. It's very important to achieve the ecological transformation and saving the environment, saving and reserving the resources for our future generations to be able to survive in the upcoming years. It would be that it's a job with a purpose. It's interesting and challenging. Thank you for spending the day with me. I hope that you have seen a little bit of our daily activities. See you soon.